Hello everybody, my name is Graciela Guerra and this is my participation in this forum. According to the question, my answer is the internet has revolutionated many areas and especially that of communications in a radical way to the point of becoming a global means of communication today in our daily life. We use it for almost everything. From sharing a moment with a friend, with your family, via Messenger, Facebook, Twitter, and to ordering a pizza or buying a TV. Before, if we wanted to read a newspaper, we had to buy a local paper edition when the news center opening with the previous day news. And today, just a single click, we can not only read our local newspaper, but also the newspaper from anywhere in the world with a permanent update of a content. So the social media are so important and some advantages about this. The first one is staying connected with family and friends. As you know, for me, the famous app is WhatsApp, that you can send it to you a message, pictures, documents, recorded videos, and it's so important because you can communicate it. As you know, 4 days ago, the social media are not working, but internet to offer to you different apps, but you can connect it. For example, Telegram, LinkedIn, and you can too send it to you a message. The other important advantages about this, the great marketing tools. For me, is the best option the company has because all people has a cell phone, right? And the old people's what's the different social medias. Your case, if you watch Facebook, you can find uh, different news in Instagram too, Twitter too. So it's so very important and it's very interesting, right? Because if you watch a TV program, just watch a TV program. But if you, in this case, if you connect it to this social media, you can find a lot of marketing about the company. And the other advantages so important for me is online learning. It's very important because you can develop the other things that you want to study, that you want to learn, and that is important. It doesn't matter what do you want to learn, music, other language, grammatica, or whatever you want. You can find this and this social media. You can online learn it. And some advantages are so for me so is very worried because I explained this one. The first one is cyberbullying. According to some research, the children have become victims about this of cyberbullying of the past. Since anyone can create a fake account and do anything without being traced, and it has becoming quite easy for anyone to create discomfort and chaos in the society. This research shows that approximately 1 in 20 students commit suicide and cyberbullying cases. And the others is so very worried too is the hacking or the famous phishing because personal data and privacy can easily be hacked and sharing on the internet, which can make financial losses and loss to the personal life. Similarly, identify that is another issue that can give financial losses to anyone by hacking their personal accounts. This is example about this program here in El Salvador from the Bank Agrícola. A lot of yes, account lost money, and the people worry about it, right? Because this famous phishing or hacking the accounts, right? And the other is so important too is the addictions, because the addictive part of the social media is very bad and can disturb personal lives as well. The teenagers is the most important, are the most affected by this addiction of the social media. They get involved in very extensively and are eventually caught from the society. It can also waste individual time that could have been utilized by productive tasks and activities. So people think that social media are so important only just to need to know how can use it this. So this is my participation about this forum. Thank you so much.